Number 1, perforated tickets. We all adore the perforated ticket, but if we could make them with a simple technique without having to purchase these dies, why not? Number 2, the two-toned wax seal. Oh, this is one of my favorites. I use these two-toned wax seals not just on cards, but I also use them to embellish tags and to use as tabs for journals. It's a lot easier than you think. Number 3, the DIY texture paste. Now this has become my new fave. I've been a huge fan of texture paste for years, but found it would dry out fast once opened, so I didn't use it often until now. I follow a lady on YouTube by the name of Lady Wisdom, and she would mix a powder called Thicket to her acrylic paint to create a texture paste. I thought, oh my gosh, that is genius, until I realized it wasn't available for purchase. So I opted for this DIY texture paste that you can make at home with just 2 ingredients: baking soda and your kids' school glue. Now the drying time is about half an hour. All you have to do is add 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of glue. Mix the 2 together and then add your acrylic paint. Voila, your own DIY texture paste. Number 4, distressed photos. Now, I'm a huge fan of that vintage look, and to create that distressed look on your photos, you can use a distress tool like this, or you can just use this simple trick. Number 5, the easy 1-minute bookbinding technique. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christine, and I've just launched a new paper line called The Botanicals. My crafting community and I are currently in the Amber collection, and we're having a blast creating these DIY journals with different techniques. Some are a little more labor intensive than others, but this one is by far the simplest. All you have to do is take your decorative paper, fold it in half, and add ribbon. So easy. Number 6. I call this the stamping block hack. This Odin Craft knife tool is one of my must-haves on my table. It's great for cutting double-sided adhesive and peeling back the tape liner. But is it really necessary? Honestly, you don't need it. All you need is a simple stamp block just like this, and it will do the trick. Number 7, washi stickers. Use packing tape to create washi stickers for your scrapbook journals. Lay down 1 sheet of packing tape on parchment paper. Add your washi tape. You can add another layer of packing tape on top of that, but to washi tape it's not necessary. And then use your favorite punches to create an easy DIY sticker. Number 8, the dried flower sticker. Another packing tape hack just for you. Number 9, washi tape tabs. If you don't want to splurge on these metal beauties, then try this. And number 10, I call this the easy trim. If you're too lazy to pull out the paper trimmer, use this instead. An X-Acto knife on your scoreboard keeps it simple. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like more scrapbooking tips and tricks, then you might want to watch this one that shows you 20 of the best scrapbooking tips and tricks. So take care and we'll see you in that video. Bye!